What's up, party people, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is inspired by a couple of my favorite YouTubers who always come up with the most creative, unique, original video ideas. And I'm talking about Kaylee Boats, I'm probably butchering her last name, and Jessica Braun. And when I watched their videos, I was just like, oh my god, I want to do it too. So today's video is all about my favorite and least favorite videos to watch on YouTube. And some of the videos that are on my least favorite list are actually videos that I do just because other people like them. So I'm just gonna give you guys all my thoughts and we can just kind of like start a discussion and share ideas. You know, what are your favorite and least favorite videos to watch? Leave it in the comment section. So let's start with my favorite videos to watch. So I do have a mixture of beauty and a little bit of like another genre, but not really a whole lot. Like beauty videos are where my heart lies. So my number one favorite kind of video to watch are any kind of dupe videos, whether it's a full face of dupes, an individual dupe, whatever the case may be. And I feel like we kind of go through phases in the community where, you know, like there was a full face of dupes trend there, like this year for like a good few months, and then that kind of died out. So I just like to find cheaper alternatives, and I feel like everything is dupeable. Another favorite video of mine are celebrity tutorials, and I feel like no one ever does these anymore because it is really hard to look at a picture and be like, okay, that's a blue, I think, or is it a gray, or is it a purple? Like it's so hard to distinguish what someone's wearing in a picture. So I understand the difficulty, and that's probably why people don't do them anymore. Yeah, I need more of these on YouTube. Another type of video that I really enjoy are tips and tricks videos, which I feel like the beauty community has kind of gotten away from because it's almost like it's common knowledge now because we've been watching makeup videos for so long, or most of us have anyway. So I can understand from a YouTuber's perspective where it can come off as being kind of redundant. I also love behind the scenes videos, and I'm talking about videos, like this is a YouTuber thing, like videos talking about your equipment, your lighting, your setup. I love videos like that. I feel like bigger channels and bigger YouTubers don't do that. It's almost like, oh, I'm giving away my secrets. I don't really know. Maybe it's just too much work. So I wish more people did these. I also love like top 5 or like top 10 videos, like a collective review kind of the best products. So yeah, I really need to start doing more of these because I really enjoy them. I also love anti-hauls, and I'm so glad that these are a thing now. Kimberly Clark, I'm pretty sure, is the one who initiated this idea, and now everyone's doing them. I love to know what people are thinking, like, why are you not gonna get that palette? Why are you not gonna get that product? And I feel like, you know, we're in a world in like the makeup community where if there's a new release, we're on it. Like we jump on it to review it. So it's really nice for me to hear the thought process and mentality of other YouTubers in my community who aren't gonna be buying every single product that releases, because it gets so overwhelming, and I think we all need a reason. Like we need a little bit of reassurance. I also love how-to videos, whether it be how to do a wing liner, how to apply mascara to get the biggest lashes. I feel like this kind of goes into the category of tips and tricks, and people just don't really do them a whole lot anymore because, again, you know, what's common knowledge and what's not anymore. But I do love to learn new things. And then the last thing on my favorites list are comedy videos. I love comedy videos, especially Jenna Marbles. Oh my god, Jenna Marbles is my best friend. She doesn't know it. She doesn't know that I'm her best friend, but we are. Like we're soul sisters. I also like a channel known as Djibouti Studios. They have a series called Dub It Out, and they do like voiceover commentary on these videos on, what is it called? World Star? Yeah, World Star, and it's hilarious. Me and Brian will sit and watch those for hours. So yeah, comedy videos are definitely some of my favorites to watch on YouTube. Let's talk about my least favorite videos to watch. PR hauls are my least favorite videos to watch. They're so boring. I don't care what you get sent. If you can't review it for me, I don't want to hear about it. It's a pointless video to me. You're literally just wasting my time. I actually haven't watched an entire PR haul all the way through. There's a trend going around that's like full face with $1,000 worth of makeup. I hate this. If you are putting $1,000 worth of makeup on your face, reevaluate your life. But why do I need to watch a makeup tutorial over $1,000 worth of makeup? It's not beneficial. They're just doing it for a shock factor. It's easy to get a pretty look with expensive makeup. It's harder to get a nice look with cheap makeup. The next one is something that actually surprised me, and I think, like, I heard either Jessica Braun or Kaylee Boat say this one, and I started thinking, I was like, you know what? I don't think I really enjoy those videos either, and I never thought about it, but I don't really enjoy tutorials anymore. I feel like tutorials are too bizarre. Like, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but on my channel I try to do wearable looks, and I feel like a lot of other channels, they do looks that are not very wearable, and it's just kind of like, whatever looks pretty in a picture. You know, it's to take an Instagram picture, to get a lot of likes. It's not necessarily something that you can wear when you go to the store or when you go to work. So it's just not relatable. So tutorials, if they just kind of got more simplified and like back to the basics and stuff, I think I would be more impressed with them. This next one is something that I do, and I know that people don't really enjoy them a whole lot anymore because people just don't appreciate first impressions, but I hate first impressions over a ton of products, especially when they don't do check-ins and let you know how things wore. I like more like focused videos, like product focused videos. I don't like to hear about 1,000 products. I've never enjoyed subscription service videos like Ipsy, Birchbox, unless I'm looking for a specific subscription service that I haven't already heard about or I don't know anything about. I just don't really enjoy these for some reason. Also because like if you're not subscribed to that service, then it doesn't really do you any good. If you don't have any interest in it, the video is just kind of pointless for you. Another one that I do that I don't enjoy are empties videos. I don't really know why, because they're the best type of review. You know, when someone uses something up completely, they're basically an expert on that product, and I can appreciate using up something completely and talking about it. But I don't know, I guess just where you don't really know what kind of review, like you don't really know what products they're gonna be talking about. Like I don't like the mystery. I like to know what products they're gonna be reviewing. And I like the fact that they are nostalgic. Like it's like old school YouTube when you do monthly favorites and monthly empties and hauls and stuff like that. Not PR hauls, obviously, but I like keeping YouTube the way it used to be, so that's why I will continue to do them unless you guys just don't enjoy them anymore. I also don't like monthly favorites. I've never really enjoyed monthly favorites. A lot of these people who do monthly favorites videos, like Jaclyn Hill and all these, you know, the bigger ones, all their products are expensive, so I have no interest in that. I also do not like hauls anymore. Again, I still do them. I'm trying to keep my channel nostalgic. Unless you can review them a little bit, I don't really have an interest in watching them. It doesn't really benefit me to see what you got. I don't like vlogs anymore. I kind of go through phases. There are some people I don't really mind to watch, but I just think vlogs are very boring. I do not like chit chat get ready with me's. I think they are so boring. Unless it's a video that's more subject focused, I just think that's kind of annoying when people are like, oh, look, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look, there's a butterfly. I hate collab videos. I'm mainly talking about videos where people are collabing together in the same video. And I'm mainly talking about bigger channels, because if you're watching someone that you like, that you're subscribed to, and they bring on someone that you don't like, it automatically makes me dislike the person who I originally liked. But like the sexual humor and these childish, immature jokes that aren't funny and like can't handle it. And the last type of videos I've never enjoyed watching and have never had an interest in are special effects makeup tutorials. These are abundant around Halloween. I have no interest in special effects makeup. I think it's an art. I think you have to be extremely artistic and very creative to be able to do this stuff. I think it takes an incredible skill level that I do not have. I don't have the vision, I don't have the skills, but I also don't really care to have it. Like I don't really want to do stuff like that, so that it doesn't bother me that I don't have that. But again, for me, it just goes back to me liking wearable looks and, you know, getting ideas for stuff that I can do on a daily basis. So that is it for my favorite and least favorite videos to watch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. A thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, follow me on all my social media, all the links are below, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Mwah.